Hello, sir.
Hello.
May I know your name and where do you stay?
Sir, myself, Dr. Ravinder. I'm staying at nearby Priyadarshini Vihar.
Okay. So, what is your child's age?
Sir, basically my two kids are coming out here. One is 11 years of age and one is 10 years of age.
So, which kind of classes were you looking for them?
So basically the purpose of the classes was their physical fitness. Not necessarily any game, but any type of physical fitness which is required for as per their age.
Okay. So, which all options did you consider?
Sir, options were very less because I think maybe the lack of information and maybe options I considered many institutions out nearby, but the variety were nowhere so much like I found here. In some places there were few like badminton, like tennis, like table tennis. I mean, the outdoor activities which make you physically fit were very less.
So, which one did you choose finally and
Sir,
why?
Yeah, finally I choose Sportstar Welfare Foundation because of the wide choice available here and because of the environment I see here and at such a big ground, so well maintained, a swimming pool, well maintained, all the things. Nowhere I could see, really nowhere I could see, and I even come from little far, but still I prefer to come here just because of the facilities available out here.
So, based on your experience, tell us two more good things about Sportstar Welfare Foundation.
I think, as I already mentioned, they are well-maintained fields, they are well-maintained institutions, and their cleanliness, and I think their contact, I mean their personal contact with the parents during the coaching about their updates, I mean they do regularly.
Would you like to share the scope of improvement in them?
Yeah, improvement is required in the sense like there should be more matches with other schools, which is little less. I mean that happens here, but I want that to be increased more. The frequency should be more.
Sir, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely would you like to recommend Sportstar Welfare Foundation to other parents?
Yeah, I will give 4 points out of 5.
4 points?
Yeah, 4 points.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.